LG Ultragear 27GN950 monitor. This one, yay! Ha! I am learning to be independent and unbox on my own, so I can hopefully lift this up as well. गिराने के सिवाय उठा भी पाऊंगी कभी, ऐसे मेरे होप्स है जो होपफुली सच हो गए. We start off with the accessories. जो I appreciate this part of LG. Like I've said it before, I'll say it again. I like the packaging and the accessories all together, nicely packed. एक साथ, I appreciate it. Cables, 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 CD, guide, cables. Moving on. Base of the monitor. छोटा दिखता है यार ये. So comparatively, if you look at this मेरा मॉनिटर मैंने फिलहाल के लिए दीवार पे लगाया हुआ है. This one is huge compared to this one. This is really small and sleek and it has a little gap. And this one ये बहुत thick है और ये वाला अच्छा पतला है. This is actually a little more classy looking compared to the previous one. I like that. I like that. I like it. Yes! पिछली बार मैंने almost गिरा दिया था दूसरे मॉनिटर का, इस बार नहीं. इसका स्टैंड भी उसके स्टैंड से अलग है, काफी अलग है. इसमें दो वाले जाता है, वो वाले में एक था. And this is comparatively super thick. It's so thick. And this one's so thin. Okay. Is this fully in?
No, it's not.
That's embarrassing if she said that. Tips and tricks with Ankkita. Okay, हम लोग इसको उल्टा रख सकते हैं, obviously with some protection for the monitor table, ठीक है? And then we can turn it. So,
A few moments later.
मैं थक गई. So हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी बात कर ली है इसके बिल्ड के बारे में. The base and the stand of the monitor, they look really sleek and sort of they've got a modern touch to it. So I really like that about the monitor. It's different. I like it. And moving on to the technical stuff about this monitor.
it's my fault. Another day and another girl singing inside for me.